We are going to start with the webinar Dotcomsport Sports Analysis TV. First of all, a warm welcome to everyone. On behalf of myself and my colleague Remco van Leeuwen, welcome to this online webinar. Let me start to introduce myself first. My name is Johan Henkes. I'm the founder and director of Dotcomsport, a software development company from the Netherlands. We are a supplier of the player development system Dotcom Club, with centralized data on one platform. So all the different roles in a football organization can work with our system. Trainer coach can register data, medical staff, scouting, but of course also the video analysis. At the moment we are operating in 25 different countries for more than over 500 different football organizations. And we recently acquired the video analysis platform Sports Analysis TV from Provispo. Remco will introduce Provispo in a bit and himself as well. So tonight is an introduction of our platform, new platform. I see also in this call a lot of Dotcomsport's current users. For you, it's good to know that we, of course, when the time is there, integrate Sports Analysis TV also in the player development system Dotcom Club. Before Remco will start, good to know that everybody is on mute. Please, if you have a question, ask this in the chat, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Or I will ask him if Remco can answer the question in general. Remco, for now, I think it's a good moment to take it over. For everyone, enjoy this webinar and please let us know. Take it forward from here, Remco, please. Yeah, please, Remco.
Okay, Johan, thanks for introducing me. A warm welcome to everyone here in the webinar. As Johan explained to you, I'm the CEO of Provispo, and Provispo is a company which is started 10 years ago, developing and installing camera solutions for video analysis on training grounds and stadiums for amateur and pro level clubs. And right now we have a lot of pro clubs, but as well amateur level clubs. And we're selling the camera solutions for amateur and pro level. So that's my focus. Besides that, we are focusing on the sports analysis part, which Johan told you that it's been taken over by Dotcomsport, and I would like to show you a little bit around sports analysis, what the platform can do, and what the features are, and so on. So this is the login screen where you can fill in your credentials. We have several levels of users. And we choose that because of there are possibilities to log in as a coach or as an analyst, as well as administer the club, and the players can log in as well. Right now I will log in as a coach, which has a different dashboard, different layout as a player, because the player can watch the videos and can read comments and so on, but they don't have a lot of features. It's mainly focused on the coaches and the analysts that can use the platform to make analysis. So I try to log into the platform right now. So after the login, you come to your main dashboard where you have several icons on top, which I will show what is behind these icons. And the main focus is that we want to give you the possibility to upload and store your video in the cloud. And as you normally see in video analysis, you upload the video or you import the video, and then after you start your analysis by coding, by tagging panels. That's something that I would like to show you as well. So in steps, I would like to introduce the whole platform. So here you can see on the dashboard, you can see the name of yourself as a user, like I am a coach, this is my name, this is my club, and my profile picture. And you have an overview of stats, so how many videos you uploaded already, how many tags you already created, how many players are in the team, and how many matches you played, as well as you see some information on the left-hand side about the storage, clips watched by players, last login, and so on. We are trying to focus on the upcoming matches. Right now, there is no upcoming match, but I will create one match and you will see how we can connect then the video with the match data. We can see last recent matches on this panel. And on the right-hand side, we have the playlist overview and the videos that are connected to me as a coach. So I will start to upload a video, which is here on the top hand right. We click upload, and you have a screen with the possibility to upload a video. So we will start to upload, to set the video to upload, and then here you can choose a match. So you can connect a match to the video. If there's a certain match created, you can then connect the video to that match. You can also create a training video. And we have as well the option to connect the matches with the whole league. We have the option to use this platform as a league-wide platform because a lot of leagues have these problems to share video. They do a lot of sharing with WeTransfer or MyAirbridge, which is quite annoying if you have to send all the videos to different people. So we created like a league-wide solution as well. But I will start using training. So I can give the training session a name, training session. This is the name of the video and the date of the event. So yesterday we recorded the video and we can start to upload. And then you see that the logo is uploaded the video, and the videos are then coming into the database of video analysis. So if I go to the videos, you can see all the videos which has been shared with me as an analyst, or the videos that I personally uploaded to this platform. As an analyst, I can also be connected to several teams inside the club. For example, if I'm a video analyst of the Youth Academy, I can be connected with the under 17, under 19, under 15. In the backend, we can select all these teams. So we can select the different user rights behind each user. So that's why we have several user layers. Let's say analyst, coach. A coach normally can see only his own team, but he can be connected as well. For example, to a second team or something like that. So these are videos which are secured, stored in the database of sports analysis, which you can access. For example, this is a video which we are it's already been tagged by one of our analysts. And if I click the video, you will see the video on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, you see all the tags. This is a video which is already tagged. I will start showing you right now a different, let's see. A different option. So once you have uploaded a video, you need to connect a tagging panel, and the tagging panel is quite important for the video analysis.
I don't see your screen running, Remco, at the moment.
Do you see it right now?
Yeah, I see your screen again. Yeah.
I try to move this panel from. So if I go to the icon panels, you can select and create your own tagging panel. We already created some panels to show you a little bit of test panels, but I will create a new panel, which you can manually put a lot of buttons or tags inside. So this webinar, I call this panel test webinar, and I put like 3 by 3 means nine tags. I can go to that section where we can create our own tagging panel, and on the right hand side you can see all the different tags which we manually created already, and you can drag and drop them inside this new tagging panel to create your own customized panel. And you can store it directly. And this panel is created only for this user, so only for me as an analyst. I can then see the panel which is created by me. Here we have different panels, panels with a lot of tags, but also panels with a small a number of tags to easily tag the match. So we have the panels and we have actions as well. You can create your own action if you want to show something. You can create your own action as well. Let's say we want to create a tag called corner. We can select the type. So automatic means we have a pre-roll of 5 seconds and a duration of like 10 seconds. But we can also create a manual tag, meaning that if you click this tag, it starts and you have to stop, click again to stop the tag. For example, if you have a pressing moment of a building up, then you normally use the manual type because a build up is not always like 10 seconds, can be like 20 seconds or something like that. So we have this option to create a manual and an automatic tag. You can also select the color and as well a keyboard shortcut, which makes it very easy to use your keyboard to tag the events. So once we have a panel and we uploaded a video, we are ready to go. So I will select one video which is not being tagged. Yeah, there are, let me see. Okay, this one is not being tagged yet. And we can start tagging from here. So this is the video, and we can click here on tag, and then we can select all these tagging panels which you saw at the at the tagging panel session, and we can here then select the tagging panel. For example, football basic, start tagging. Once there is the kickoff, you can then start the match, and you will see that if once we start the match, it's being tagged. So here you can create all your tags. And here you see the last tag you did. If you made a mistake, you can then directly delete or redo your tagging. So if you made a mistake, you just click on delete, and then it will remove the tagging. So here you can do the tagging. You can go forward or backwards like 10 seconds. With the keyboard, you can also go backwards and forward, as well as you can speed up the level of speed. Some analysts don't want to see the video on normal speed because they're they can tag with the speed of like 8 forward. So we changed that. We have the possibility to change the speed as well. In this tagging option, we as well has a start drawing. Which means that we can draw over the video, and this quite simple drawing tool, but it's useful because we can create all the options for example, adding some text, creating lines, and you can store that. You can create a screenshot from it, so you can download it directly to your local PC, and then you have a screenshot directly with the overlays there. So this is the drawing tool. And if we...
There's a question. Can you make an animation drawing?
No, that's not possible for the moment. So right now it's really like static drawings.
But the animation, or the drawing is also visible in the playlist. If you...
Yes, you can create your drawing.
Please give an example.
Yes. So now you can select the event. So for example, there's this event called corner. And you see then here the icon that there is a drawing inside. So you see that once there is a drawing inside and you click, it will freeze the video and showing the drawing.
And afterwards, you take it further from there?
Yes, so if you do nothing, it will freeze like for 5 seconds, and then after it will auto resume.
Okay. So if you see the first tag, then the drawing for 5 seconds, and afterwards the next tag.
Yes, correct, correct. So that is about the drawing tool. You can see the drawings here as well. So if you go to this tab, you see all the drawings that we created. And in the event list, you see all the events. Now we only have 4 events, but I will go to one video which is already being tagged. And this one. And here I can still start tagging with the tagging panel. But I can as well search in the tag, all the tags that we already created, like a goal or goal kick. And we can go to that goal directly. So we can filter we can search and we can filter. So we can filter by event. So we can say, okay, we want to see all the keeper possessions, and it filtered directly all the keeper possessions. So once the keeper is there, you can.
Can I also get create a playlist from all the goals, a summary or something?
Yes, that's possible, and it's possible as well. Let's say it's possible to create or to connect different analysts to one game, and these analysts can tag their matches, and as a team, then you can have several events. For example, there is one goalkeeper analyst that is tagging the whole match, and then there is let's say a basic analyst. You can put all these events in one tagging list, and then you can filter out by goalkeeper. For example, here you can select the goalkeeper, and then you see all the goalkeeper events. But as well, you can connect several taggings from, for example, there are a lot of offline analysis tools like Longo Match, MyVA, Sports Code, Knoxport, and so on. We can import them into this tagging list as well. So and then after, you can still create your own tags by sports analysis. So you can combine everything there. Yeah, the thing that you want to I will show you that playlist item. There is one thing that I would like to show, is that we can have a lot of options here. So if once you have created a tag, you then can create a comment. For example, as a coach, I can say move to the right. And then if you created the comment, you see this this icon here. And if I click the event, you will see this as a comment here. So you can comment each tag as a coach, and you see these comments on the right hand side here. You can also record comments if you want to use your voice. Then you can make or connect audio to it. You can directly download the events separate, And you can also add each event to a playlist. I will show you how that works. So we have a list of playlists here, and I can add these events to playlists. So I will do 2 events. And what you can do as well is edit the event. So you can, after you can always select the start and end time. If you see that one event is too short or too long, you can change the start and end time to have correct video as well there. So I created one playlist with 2 events. And if I go to playlists on top, I can go to that playlist and you see there are 2 videos. And these 2 videos will be shown in the playlist without clicking everything, without clicking. So it's moving or continuing from event to event. So you don't need to do anything there. For example, if you have your players in the dressing room and you want to show the playlist, then you can use it like this. You can also very easily share your playlist, which means Sports Analysis is creating a hidden link which can be shared to your players. And if you click on this link, it will direct you to directly to the playlist. And it's useful because you can share this link with your WhatsApp or email. And if players connect to it or click on this link, the mobile devices will show you directly the playlist without doing a lot of work, and then log into the platform is not needed because it's a hidden link, and if they don't share this link, then only your players can see this playlist. And you can also download the playlist and then download the playlist to your mobile or to your desktop, to your notebook. I will make a short. So here you can add your players. So if you have a team, you can put all your players here with several things that you can put. So first name, last name, your country, position, email, etc. And then you can invite the player to the platform. So once you want to connect the players, you can invite them directly and they will get an email and then they can sign into the platform. Here you can see the awaiting approval. So once the players are ready and they sign into the platform, you can then accept them to the team. And then once they are there, they will be listed here. We have matches here. So as I mentioned, you can connect matches to videos. The thing that we right now created is that, for example, there's a match on this upcoming Saturday. You can create this match already here. If there is connected to the teams, so you can connect the first team or the youth academy teams, you can directly do that as well. The score, of course, there is no score yet. Competition and season, yeah, you can do it or you can leave it open. Then you can put your playlists, your players. So once there are players, you can connect the players and make the lineup. But I will not do that for now. And then if I go to the dashboard, you see the upcoming match here, Feyenoord Ajax. And once you have the video, then you can directly upload the video to the platform and then connect the video to this particular match. And then if you go there, you will see that there are linked videos to that match. I think that I can show you like this match. So if there's a video behind that match or connected to that match, you will see the video directly. We are working on a projects thing now that's and the main idea is that we want to connect as well, like documents, like if you have a document, for example, the lineup, or you have several images or documentation, you can then upload these documents and connect that to a match, and you can connect that videos as well. But this is something that we are right now developing. So you can upload, for example, PDF files or Word files and connect that to that specific match. We are also trying to create a whiteboard so you can then make some drawings over a 2D pitch and so on. But this is still in development. The league is not connected right now, but what I already explained is that we can do a league-wide solution where you can connect to a league as a club, and all the clubs will be able to share videos in one league. Makes it really simple to share all the videos with several clubs. And this is the profile page where you can upload your own picture, change your details, and it's the basic stuff. So I think I did every detail right now. I don't know if there are questions.
There were some questions in the chat, but I answered them one-on-one, so everybody can see it. One question was, is the link which you send to the players to share video files, is that enough to open it on the mobile phone? Yes, this is enough to open it. You don't have to log in as a player then.
No.
That is one question. And the other question was from Jesper to how many accounts you can have on one subscription. I told them we have several options for this. We have one account, we have a subscription for 3 accounts, and we have the club subscription as well. So you have unlimited accounts on this one. But of course, we will take it further. If you have any interest, we can send all the prices from the different options to you directly. That's no problem at all. There's also another question now, Remco. It is also possible to share playlists with the players in the platform itself, so without a link?
Right now, that thing is in development as well. If we, as an analyst, if you create the tags, then it's not directly connected to one player. So it's always connected to all the players. And now we had some requests from several clubs. They want to connect the several events to specific players, which we were developing for the next release. So meaning that you can connect several events to one player and comment on that, so other players cannot see these comments, which was written by the coach or by the analysts.
Yes. I hope this was clear. Of course, we will provide you all the information if you want afterwards via email. Please leave your comment in the chat if you want to. And we can also set up a one-on-one chat with your federation or your club to give you all the information again, maybe with more colleagues from your side as well, and provide you all the details. So for the people who are leaving right now, thank you very much for listening and for joining this demo.